Welcome to our company, your premier destination for high-quality sports turf installation in India. Our expertise lies in crafting top-notch turf solutions for outdoor sports like cricket, football, and more. With meticulous measurements and precision, we ensure flawless installation in various states and cities across India. Elevate your sports experience with our company, where quality meets performance. Welcome to our latest video, where we take you behind the scenes of our meticulous process in creating the perfect turf for outdoor playing games. And this video showcases every step of our expert installation process. Each box pipe is expertly painted and adorned with green nylon nets, creating a durable and visually appealing framework. Safety first. We prioritize safety, and that's why all pipes are covered with a safe material, offering both protection and peace of mind. Our commitment to player well-being extends to every detail, ensuring that our installations meet the highest safety standards. Our artificial grass installation is an art form. Carefully laid and secured, the grass creates a lush, consistent surface that looks and feels like the real thing. We take pride in our attention to detail, ensuring that every blade is perfectly aligned for a seamless and natural appearance. After meticulous planning and execution, we proudly unveil the result of our hard work, the perfect turf. A seamless blend of aesthetics, safety, and performance, our turf is ready to be the stage for countless hours of outdoor enjoyment. Join us on this journey as we showcase the craftsmanship, dedication, and expertise that go into creating the ultimate playing surface. Subscribe now to witness the transformation from an empty space to a vibrant, safe, and high-performance turf that will redefine your outdoor gaming experience.